In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Squarespace site draft and transfer ownership to your client. We'll walk through the full process from inside the Squarespace dashboard, starting with creating the site itself, then choosing a template, building out the initial draft, and finally inviting your client so they can take over ownership of the website. This is a very practical workflow if you're setting up a site on someone else's behalf and want to hand it off cleanly once the draft is ready. To begin, sign into your Squarespace account and open your main dashboard. From there, click Create Site. This is where you'll start a brand new project. Squarespace will guide you into the setup flow, and at this stage, the main goal is simply to get the new website created under your account so you can start building it out. Next, select a base template. Choose the one that best fits the type of website you're building, whether it's for a business, portfolio, personal brand, or something else. The template is really just your starting point, so don't worry too much about making the perfect choice right away. You can customize the layout, colors, fonts, and page structure as you build. Once the template is selected, go ahead and create the site draft. After that, build out the site draft. This is the stage where you add the essential pages, adjust the layout, and shape the site so it reflects the project requirements. Depending on your workflow, that might include setting up the homepage, adding navigation, inserting placeholder or final content, and making the design feel polished enough for review. The idea here is to get the website into a solid draft state before handing access over to the client. Once the draft is completed, go to Settings, then Permissions, and choose Invite Contributor. This is where you can add your client to the site so they can access it from their own Squarespace account. Enter the client's email address carefully and send the invitation. Make sure they accept the invite before you move on to the ownership transfer, since that helps avoid delays. After the client has access, transfer site ownership to them. This officially makes their account the owner of the website. Once the transfer is complete, check that everything looks correct and that the client can access the